Good day. This is weather. I'm in Hafnarfjörður and temperature is about -1 degree and the wind is up to 9 meters per second. A little bit of snow last night and this morning.